So, hello everybody. Today I'm going to teach you a few piano basics. So, to start it off, you're going to take your keyboard, piano, whatever, and you're going to look for this key right in the middle. This key is called middle C. It should sound like this. If you go here, this is called low C, and this is called high C. When you play two C's together, it's called an octave, like this. So, like that. This is an octave. This is the bass C. So to start off, like I said, this is middle C. And then this is D, E, F, G. We're only going to be going to G. And then, so, if you can, play like this. Once you've done that, place your hand on the count 7 steps to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is low C. Once you find low C, this is where your left hand will be playing. Now this is low C, D, E, F, G, likewise. So then, if you can, try to do low C and middle C at the same time, and so on. Keep on practicing until you can remember where to put your fingers, and you can play the notes like this. Once you've done that exercise, you're going to learn for rhythm. So forget about the left hand. Use the right hand only. You're going to learn to jump between C and G, like so. So practice this exercise. C, D, C, E, C, F, C, G. Once you practice that exercise, you're going to move on to the left hand. Like I said, C, D, C, E, C, F, C, G. Practice this for a little while until you've got the hang of it. Now, what you're going to do is going to be extremely complex, but you can do it. So what you're going to do is this. Once you practice that and you're familiar with it, practice it a few more times. Once you've gotten the hang of that, you have learned a little bit of piano. Then you can Then I'm going to teach you a few chords on the left hand. This is called the C-G chord. Play C and play G. Now play them at the same time. Then play C and play F. C, F chord, and so on. C, E, C, D. Practicing the technique helps a lot with playing chords. So practice playing chords with the left hand for a little while, and then move on, and then we'll learn chords on the right hand. Once you've gotten the hang of the left hand chords, C, G, C, F, C, E, C, D, you're going to then learn to put some right hand notes along with the chords. play E and C, G at the same time. Now play C, G, and E. C, G, E, E, E. Once you practice playing these three notes together, then we'll move on to step, I don't know. You're gonna play C, G, E. Play them all together, and then play E 2 more times. First, practice playing C, G, E, C, G, E, E, E. Once you've gotten the hang of it, then repeat it one more time, like this. Once you've done that, then we're going to move to G. You're going to play the same chord, C, G, and play G this time. C, G, G. Putting it all together, it will sound like this. After you play C, G, and G on the right hand, you're then going to go all the way to middle C and play D, E. Practice that for a few more times, and this is what it will sound like all together. Once you've gotten the hang of it, practice it until you've mastered it. Then, watch video 2 to see what else you can play and learn a few more notes.